Hello everybody and welcome to studio. We are here with Gary Giffen. You have a new opportunity in downtown off 7th Avenue, which is a great place to live.
Yeah, Ty, and I know you've got a lot of great footage of Petco Park, but this is in downtown in the East Village area. It is at 325 7th Avenue, and this is on the 10th floor. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. I'll go through that real quick. So everybody wants to know, 2-bedroom, 2-bath.
There you go, guys.
Split bedrooms, right? It's got some great features and the view is spectacular.
And let's dive right into the view because it's one of the best views if you love the city life, if you love sports, if you just love San Diego. The view is so San Diego. Give us an overview of that.
Yeah, so this is in the Legend building, and the Legend is a legend downtown, right? It's built by Bosa. And not only is it the best location, but this is on the 10th floor, so like you said, it's in the clouds, right? You're not quite up there, but you're halfway up to the top of that building, and the views are spectacular out towards the city, a little bay, a little Coronado. We walk out on the balcony, you can see Coronado Bridge off to the left and Petco Park.
And a huge shout out to the Padres who are in the playoffs.
Huge, and you don't need to pay for a ticket. You just walk right out there and watch the Padres play. Barbecue. It's got a beautiful kitchen area up there, and that is the kind of the secret club for the building. Everybody loves the 7th floor.
If you go all the way down to the 1st floor, then you have all the bars and the restaurants right there.
Yeah, and they are starting to pop right now. As COVID restrictions are waning, right? A lot of people have been eating out, of course, in the streets and making areas for restaurants so they can eat out in front. But yeah, the East Village has a ton of restaurants, and you're in the heart of the gas lamp. You can do it all. You really don't need a car. You can just walk down to the harbor. You can take a little ferry boat over the Coronado, right? To get straight over to the Coronado area and the bridge and eat at Pioe's. Or you can just stay in town there, and they've got Seaport Village, which they are actually working on plans now to revamp that. And that's going to be a real highlight of downtown when that's finished.
Very nice. As I always say, Gary, thank you so much for coming in studio. You're bringing some awesome homes, and everybody out there, if you're looking to buy or sell, get in touch with Gary today. He's here to help you, and more importantly, if you want the opportunity that we spoke about today, the chance for you to get it is right now, so don't wait.
It's hot downtown. Get it while it's hot.
Very nice. I'll see you again soon.
Thanks, Ty.